What if I told you that the cup of tea you just brewed is quietly experiencing a scientific phenomenon that's been shaping our planet for billions of years? That's right, it's evaporation. Evaporation is more than just water disappearing into thin air. It's a fundamental process in science, nature, and even our everyday lives. Evaporation at its core is the transition of a liquid into a gas. Picture this. When you heat water on a stove for pasta, you see steam rising from the pot. That's evaporation happening right before your eyes. But here's the fascinating part. It doesn't always need heat to occur. Think of a puddle on a sunny day. Even without reaching boiling temperatures, that water slowly vanishes. How does that work? On a molecular level, every liquid is made up of millions of tiny particles moving at different speeds. In water, for instance, some molecules are zipping around faster than others. If a molecule near the surface has enough energy, it can break free from the bonds holding it in liquid form and escape as a gas, becoming what we call water vapor. This is evaporation in action. But evaporation isn't just a neat trick for drying wet clothes on a warm afternoon. It's a key player in the Earth's water cycle, a process that sustains all forms of life. When water evaporates from oceans, lakes, and rivers, it rises into the atmosphere, cools down, and condenses into clouds. Eventually, those clouds release their moisture as rain or snow, and the cycle starts all over again. Without evaporation, there'd be no weather as we know it, no crops to grow, and life on Earth would look drastically different. What's more, evaporation isn't limited to water. Other liquids can evaporate too, like alcohol or gasoline. Ever noticed how nail polish remover seems to disappear after you use it? That's because many substances evaporate faster than water, thanks to weaker intermolecular forces. Scientists even use this phenomenon in everyday technologies, from cooling systems to industrial processes. But let's not forget, evaporation also has a cooling effect. Have you ever wondered why we sweat? When your body needs to cool down, it produces sweat, mostly water. As that water evaporates off your skin, it carries heat away with it, leaving you cooler. It's nature's clever way of air conditioning. Evaporation is everywhere, transforming puddles, powering ecosystems, and even keeping you comfortable on a hot day. So next time you watch the steam lift off your morning coffee or see raindrops disappearing from a window pane, take a moment to appreciate the quiet magic of science at work. Who knew water's great escape could be so fascinating?